I say go ahead and follow, hit that subscribe. Marley Motors, yeah, you know it's getting live and high. I mean getting live and hot up in this bitch, cause I'ma gas out. All I do is hit the fucking gas and just dash out. Yeah, and I don't play around. When it comes to these cars, you know I put in that work now. Yeah, I'm trying to show you what I got on the YouTube. So hit that subscribe and like on my YouTube.
Hey, yeah, get this exhaust check on your man. Yeah, man. Ready so I can get this fucking tune up, man. Yeah, man, what's up with y'all? You heard me. We up early on this Saturday morning. Finna go ahead and get this work in. Gotta go to this, which one I'm going? I think AutoZone? Nah, O'Reilly's. I'm gonna go to O'Reilly's and go cop these spark plugs, you heard me? And stuff. They had two preferable spark plugs that they said to use for the car. And one is $23.99, the other one is $28.99. I guess I'm gonna go with the 23. I ain't gonna go super expensive, but they all expensive. So go ahead, go to O'Reilly's, cop me like 6 of them ones, and go ahead and get this work done on the G. You feel me? We got that exhaust leak fixed, that hanger fixed, and now we're gonna get this tune up. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start her up. You heard me? It's not too cold, but it's cold. I had took my girlfriend's spot today, and I'm surprised she backed up in this bit, like real nigga shit. Like, come on now, we gotta check. You know what I mean? But yeah, got that bit over here, but I gotta move that mud when I get back. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start this mud up. Yeah, get y'all a cold start. Efficiently and run more better, you heard me? It's quieted down now. But yeah, man, I'm ready to go ahead and get this mud all the way done, you feel me? So shit, I can start working on the suspension, you feel me? At least get all this maintenance and stuff out the way, you feel me? We still got a lot more to go. We got rear differential fluid change, we got transmission fluid change, you heard me? And yeah, I got a little coolant, little hose, little thing I gotta replace, you feel me? But it's almost there, man. I wish I could go ahead and find me a tune shop that'll tune this bitch that really, you know, I make it run more efficiently on all the mods that it does have, you feel me? It came with the mods, you hear me? But just want to see what it can get out of them bitches, you hear me? The car is fast, you feel me? But we want to see if it can get faster, you hear me? We taking care of all this maintenance stuff and getting it out the way, so we should be able to get some more horse purrs out of this bitch, you feel me? But yeah, man, gotta get the maintenance right before we can clean this mud up and have it looking like a yes, you know, G37. I'm gonna keep it like this, how it looks, how it sits, until I get all my maintenance stuff right with this mud. We ain't gonna do none of the pimping and none of that shit yet, because Lord knows I can pimp the shit out of some shit though. Like, I can pimp the shit out of some shit though, no cap. I just got an eye for what'll make it look different. I just like my shit to look different, but I ain't gonna bore y'all with the talk. We finna go ahead to O'Reilly's and go and get these spark plugs. You hear me? See y'all when I get there. So yeah, man, we just came from O'Reilly's and we got them muds, boy. 6 spark plugs, man. When I tell you 6 spark plugs, it shouldn't be like this, yo. It shouldn't be like this. But that's how we doing. That's how we doing. Gonna get this shit right and get it over with, cause I hate this mess. I'm finna go to Wally World. Go see if I can get some throttle body cleaner, master flow sensor cleaner. You know, just clean these throttle bodies and try to see about this relearn too. So yeah, man, it's crazy. You heard me, but I'm gonna go and see if we fix this little problem. The problem I have now, since the exhaust been ran like this for so long, it's like a hesitation. You know, like sometimes it's at the beginning when you first get on the gas. Sometimes it be when you come off a turn, like a stop and a turn and accelerate. It's just, I don't know. And then it be having some type of, what that is, a buck with it. Sometimes that'll stop. So shit, we doing this tune up and this throttle body clean and relearn. Hopefully it clears things up or whatnot. Boy, I'm tired. I'm tired of this. You know? Tired of this. So, hopefully it clears things up and we get this mud right. Because I need it right. And that's right now. You feel me? Right now. Well, yeah, man. We got a light. Hopefully we can show y'all what it do. When the light turn green and y'all see, I'm going to try to keep it on there. But it's like a little bit of a hesitation. That was the buck right there. But it's like a little bit of a hesitation. At least on sometimes I guess. That time it wasn't that much. But sometimes it's a little bit of acceleration, hesitation. So it might just be a misfire trying to form. You feel me? And stuff like that. I don't know, or it might just be the throttle bodies just stick it, but we gonna get this tune up and all that shit right too, you heard me? Cause I can't physically tell when the car been tuned unless I take the spark plugs out and check them. So if I take the spark plugs out and check them, I might as well take them out and change them, you heard me? So that's what we finna do, you heard me? That's a clean ass Corvette. I don't know if y'all gonna see it, y'all ain't gonna see it. that bit clean. Yeah, man, we are out here jumping this car up so we can get this bitch out the way. Got it off that little flight it was on, you feel me? Got some of the tools out of here because I'm gonna work on this bit underneath the carport, you heard me? I got lights and shit. The shade ain't gonna do much, you feel me? I got lights to be able to clear all that shit up. So, yeah. And I'll be able to get a better view, better video for y'all, but yeah, man. Letting this mind charged up and shit like that. So yeah, man, we got it already turned in a spot that I'm gonna be working on it. That got the most space, you know. Blew some of them leaves out the way so shit niggas can be comfortable. Got this fan, finna try to hurry up and cool it off because I've been having that bit running since I basically came from the store. You heard me? Had to jump high and then move all the cars around and stuff like that. But yeah. This is what we're gonna be working at. Gonna pop this hood and let this mud cool off. And then we gonna get it to work. Get the work. Alright. So yeah, man, we got all our stuff for our tune-up. And I don't know why, but this fucking GoPro battery went dead quick. Out of nowhere, yo. That mud just said 100%. But yeah, man. We missed out, you heard me? So I gotta fill y'all back in on the information I had for y'all, you feel me? So, basically I was just telling y'all about all the tools that we need and that I have basically to do this. You heard me? First we was gonna take these intakes off, which obviously I already got them off. I'm mad that the video ain't, you know, record, man. It was tripping. So this is a size 8. Each one of these bolts, you know, basically is a size 8. We only unloosen the bottom one from here and the top one from the throttle bodies on both sides. You feel me? That's what this tool was for right here. These, you hear me? We just use this to basically get the line thing back so we can pull the lines off on both sides, of course. Bam, we got that out the way. Then I unplug the mass airflow sensors. You heard me? And stuff like that. And we revealed that it's a Phillips screw. You heard me? It could be also look like a 6 or a 7, but we're gonna use the Phillips. Take the mass airflow sensors out. So as you may see, this is how the intake sits in the car. So you know the metal wire for the mass airflow sensor gotta be faced forward to the intakes, basically. So when it pulls air, it gets the reading, and it helps monitor the fuel and air ratio. You feel me? So we're gonna be cleaning that today, right along with this mass airflow sensor cleaner right here, and get that right. You hear me? Make sure we get in them right amount of horsepower from the beginning, from the, you know, yeah. But I don't even know why I'm sitting there right there. You hear me? It got me messed up because of this doggone camera won't trip on me, man. Got shit messed up. So yeah. And as y'all know, I was saying about this, I don't have the right size spark plug socket to get these spark plugs out with the bushing in it. Basically, the sockets that I have, are the spark plugs that I have been dealing with, ain't even the same size on the end of this one. So basically, it was a socket that I needed to buy that I didn't buy. So we gonna work it like this. We got the 14 on the extension. Boom, bam, get that mud out of there. And we got the magnet. The magnet, we gonna touch it and pull it up out of there, since it don't have the bushing and stuff on there. So yeah, that's what this for. And this right here is for the throttle bodies. Don't know which one it is yet, but we finna see. We finna find out and get it right and get it out. So yeah, let me search through these basically and get a feel. That might be it. Oh, nope, next one down. But yeah, search through, get a feel, and go ahead and start undoing the throttle bodies. Oh, they got that more snug. Yeah, man, we back, and I found the right one I need. You heard me? Basically, for the go ahead and get these out. So we finna go ahead and get these out. I put my light up there so y'all can see better, because it's kind of dark where these spark plugs sit. So yeah, gonna put all the bolts up here. You know what I mean? And get it right. We gonna do this, the spark plugs first, then we do the throttle bodies cleaner, and then mass airflow cleaner after, so we can make sure we, you know, have everything good, you know. So, you know, reverse our way back out and end it how we end it, you know. But yeah, I'm going ahead and taking this off. See, taking this throttle body off, I would have been able to get to that cooling hose I replaced real easy. Make me think I'ma fuck with that bit now, but I ain't gonna do it. I ain't gonna do it. But like real shit, it was hard as shit to get today. But throttle bodies would have been it would have been easy. So basically, got the throttle body out the way. Ooh, them bitches are dirty. Look at that. So, you know, we could be getting gunked up and having hesitation just from the throttle body being that. Look at that. Lord. What y'all think we can do with that right there right now? But yeah, I ain't gonna even lie to you. That cooling hose is way down there. I don't even know how I went about getting it and replacing it, putting it on there. But boy, that was some hell, though. But yeah, we got this throttle body right here. I mean, I said throttle body. We got this spark plug right here. So yeah, gotta see. Probably gotta lift this mud out the way real quick so I can have that room to just push the button and slide back. Let me put that down too. So yeah, after a little finagling, we actually can get that mud off. It's undid. We're gonna pull it out first. So that's another thing. I forgot all about the coil packs. So basically that might be a 10 or something. I don't know. Y'all let me know. I'm gonna try this right here real quick, because I think this like a 10. Nope. A little bigger, a little bigger. Yeah, we just need to find one. It ain't gonna be that hard in this tube bag, but it's gonna be hard. Cause, yeah. Let's see what this is, because it'll tell us and let us know. Yeah, it's a 10, you guys. It's a 10. Cause that 11 snugged it up. Almost really got it. But it's a 10. So we gonna keep looking for that 10. What this is? 12. Lord. I love being prepared, you guys. I love being prepared. But I guess it ain't go that way today. And then camera wanted to trip on me and everything. So I guess it ain't go that way today with being prepared. But it's always better to be prepared. So that right there needs an extra extension. It ain't gonna work. So now we on it. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Y'all know. Gotta say that shit, cause shit, all this plastic shit we screwing into, fuck up, you gonna really fuck up. Fuck up, had to get a whole new valve cover. Fuck up, more shit gonna have to come off. Intake, all that, just to change the valve cover. Lord. That's a small boat. Right, I guess it's the right one. So yeah, we're finna go ahead and slide this up, if y'all can see. Ooh, we got it. Now we can take that wire off, because boy, it was hard as fuck to take that wire off. And slide the spark plug, the coil pack all the way out. Oh Lord, it got oil in there, yo. It's oil in there, yo. Let me find out. Valve cover gotta be motherfucking changed, yo. Because that look like that might be the coil pack hole gasket, basically. If it got oil in there, yo, man, like that's crazy. That's crazy. So we gonna do it one at a time. You hear me? Take our time, do it one at a time, so we don't be, you know, fucked up on the fuck up. Yeah. Okay. So this is where the magnet finna come in handy at. Boy, I hope it's gonna be easy to drop back in there. Like, come on now. Tell me you just, ugh. No, it didn't come out on here. Oh, we know it. It didn't come out on here. Oh yeah, it's oil back there, boy. It's really oil, like shit. I literally probably gotta do a valve cover. That's maybe where we headed at. That is maybe where we headed at. A valve cover. Cause that's just too motherfucking wet. Too wet. Too wet. For real. So we headed at a valve cover change. So I'm gonna have to really make sure I look up this video, and that's gonna be the next thing we at. We got a little valve cover change, cause shit, that's gotta be, that gotta be what it is. Valve cover. Let's see. Let's just see for jokes where this mud is at. Cause it's supposed to be at 44. See? 1, 2, 3. It's about there. It's about there. I ain't gonna cap. It's about there. It's under, but it's about there. But yeah, that's that one spark plug. Now it's time to pop this mud out. You heard me? And See about where it's gonna be at. Ooh. And this one got a year thing for real. Like you don't want to touch it. This ain't no whatchamacallit, I probably don't even touch it. Good. I shouldn't touch it. I'm what it say? Is it pre-gat or something? Or does it say gat? Yeah. Decisions, y'all. Hold on. So yeah, man, I wouldn't believe that literally it had oil in that cylinder, man. Pissing me off. I know I'm gonna have to run some valve cover gaskets soon, ASAP. You know what I mean? Like for real. But yeah, once I run that valve cover gaskets, I might do the coil pack change just on the muscle, because one of them coil packs on the other side look kind of shaky to me. But yeah, I'm finna tighten up that coil pack. I'm finna go ahead and do these two on this side, and we're gonna be on the other side. Hopefully no oil. Cross y'all fingers with me. I'm gonna let y'all know. So yeah, you guys, you heard me. We ran into a little problem with doing the tune-up on the G37. As y'all seen in the video, it has some oil in the holes for the spark plugs. Basically, the valve cover gasket is bad, so I have to replace that. I went about changing the spark plugs, you feel me? Still trying to see what it do, you hear me, with what it do. But, you know, the car is up there in miles, and checking on basically the coil pack, I can tell that some of them are the original coil pack. It's never been changed. Some of them have been changed, but it's fairly little. I say half of the engine been changed, and the other half haven't. You know what I mean? So basically, I'm have to buy all these doggone expensive ass coil packs, man. So yeah, I'm gonna be changing the coil packs right along with both side valve covers, gaskets, basically, so we can not have that oil in that hole, because that can be causing the misfire, the multi-cylinder misfire. You heard me? It could have gotten worse over time and all that other shit, but boy, it had oil in like probably that whole side on that car, you know? So in like 3 cylinders, it had oil. So we basically, yeah. So like I was saying, I had put all of that back, you know, gapped the spark plugs, did the tune up, you heard me? Reset the throttle body, and I took it on a ride. I will not kid to you, you feel me? The first part of the ride was low-key cool, you feel me, and all that. I feel like when I'm driving, I try to feel for everything, you feel me? And I felt like it had some type of slight miss, but it wasn't nothing affecting it, you feel me? You just know it was something, you heard me? Something in it. But like it was doing hella good, hella better than what it was before I did the tune-up, no joke. But, you know, I went on a little drive, did like probably almost a 35 to 40 minute drive. And I say within probably a good 30 of that drive, you feel me? It was doing hella good, you heard? Was on the interstate, everything, you feel me? And out of nowhere, it just started missing. And when I tell you when it started missing quite bad, you hear me? But I was able to make it home. Basically, that's all I was trying to do, is make it home. But yeah, man, I went on ahead, pulled all the spark plugs back out,
check the gaps. And when I tell you, on that side where that oil was leaking at, them gaps was out of whack. Like when they was like, it's supposed to be gapped at 44. Some of them bitches was gapped all the way to like about 50, 54, 55, probably damn near, 60, you heard me? But I went on ahead and regapped and tried to see if that'll change how the car was running. Cause like the car just was running just weird and out of whack. And then it had the, the mystery motherfucking PO 300 code. You heard me? It throw the code for cylinder. And that was basically the cylinder that actually had the most oil in it when I first checked it. And that was that middle cylinder, cylinder 4. So it threw the code for PO 304 and then PO 300 for a multi-cylinder mess. But when I was doing the tune-up and shit like that, if they do it like that, what it is, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So yeah, I said on cylinder 5, the coil pack was actually corroded, you know what I mean, and stuff like that. So I went about changing that coil pack and stuff too, you heard me, after it did have a mess, but nothing changed, you heard me. But I think I need to change all the coil pack, so I'm gonna do that too, you heard me. I'm gonna change all the coil packs right along with a new coil pack for the new coil pack I just brought. That's just gonna make it where I have a spare coil pack just in case if anything pop off. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do that. I'm gonna do the valve cover gasket. We're gonna do all that at one time, you heard me? Get everything out that bit. And we finna get this mud back on the road, man. When I tell you I ain't been in Honda in so long, boy. Only thing I like about Honda is that they got a TV in it. But yeah, we back in the Honda, you hear me? But yeah, we gonna get it back right. But shit, we're struggling to let y'all know my struggle, but you feel me? Gotta keep y'all updated, you heard me? And we gonna get this mud right, you heard? But Molly out,
Getting live and hot up in this bitch cause I'm a gas out. All I do is hit the fucking gas and just dash out. Yeah, and I don't play around. When it comes to these cars, I put in that work now. Yeah, I'm trying to show you what I got on the YouTube. So hit that subscribe and like on my YouTube.